Are you worried about the coronavirus? Are you afraid of the toxic chemicals in a nail salon? Do the dirty tools and equipment in a nail salon give you pause? Let us put your mind at ease. We are 3D print nails, nails made with a 3D printer. These nails can have different designs, come in different colors, different sizes, and can even have your name on them. How is it done? 1. Choose a design. 2. Choose a size, color, and thickness. 3. Customize the nail with your name and we'll do the rest. If other people order your design, we'll give you an NFT, non-fungible token, which you can sell or trade in for more nails. Some restrictions may apply. With our nails, there's no need to go into a crowded indoor space. No carcinogen, no toxicant, no UV light. No coronavirus, Omicron variant, or any other variant. The fourth industrial revolution is here. Why not join Oprah, Chanel, Nike, SpaceX, NASA, and countless others? Join us in this revolution. Be a part of the future.